If you're looking for smart and useful products, then this video is for you and your next custom PC build. Before you buy any PC cases, you need to see this. In this video, I found the best PC cases of 2026, based on real performance, quality, and value for money. I spent hours researching, comparing features, prices, and real user reviews, so you can pick the perfect one without wasting time or money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. And for more honest, no-fluff tech reviews, make sure to hit subscribe. Let's get started. Starting strong at number 1, we have the Musetex Y6 Gaming PC Case. This dual-chamber chassis prioritizes exceptional organization and user convenience, boasting snap-off panels that guarantee a fully tool-free assembly. By isolating the power supply and messy cables from your primary hardware, it delivers a pristine aesthetic while significantly boosting thermal performance. It easily accommodates massive graphics cards up to 400mm and ships with 3 factory-installed fans, so you can start cooling your rig right out of the box. The modern front I/O panel includes ultra-fast USB 3.2 and Type-C connectivity, while the seamless 270-degree glass windows present your hardware beautifully from any angle. Ultimately, it is a highly practical, budget-friendly option for builders craving a premium, boutique appearance with zero installation headaches. Moving on to number 2, here's a solid choice: the Corsair 3000D RGB Airflow. This chassis takes customization to the next level with its highly adaptable sliding fan bracket system, enabling you to pinpoint airflow exactly where your hottest components need it most. The front panel features a distinctive 3D Y-motif perforation, designed to intake vast amounts of cool air with virtually no restriction. Included are 3 premium RS ARGB PWM fans that conveniently feature a 0 RPM function, ensuring absolute silence when you're just browsing or doing light work. Its impressively modular skeleton even permits you to interchange motherboard plates and front I/O modules, meaning this enclosure can easily adapt to your future hardware upgrades. It's the perfect foundation for PC enthusiasts demanding unparalleled versatility wrapped in a sleek design. At number 3, we're looking at a powerful option: the Musetex K2 Gaming PC Case. Offering a breathtaking 270-degree panoramic window through 2 seamless tempered glass panels, this tower acts as the ultimate display case for your premium hardware. Out of the box, it is armed with 6 fully addressable PWM fans utilizing specialized blades to push a highly focused column of air, all easily managed via your motherboard software. The cavernous interior has absolutely no trouble housing giant 420mm graphics cards or thick 360mm liquid cooling radiators at the roof. Topped off with a blazing fast front USB-C connection and convenient magnetic dust screens for effortless cleaning. It is an elite selection for gamers who desire that trendy fishbowl look without compromising on heavy-duty thermal management. Coming in at number 4, this one really stands out: the NZXT H6 Flow RGB. Instantly recognizable by its distinctly angled front right corner, this dual-chamber enclosure is brilliantly engineered to blast fresh air directly into your graphics card. The continuous wraparound glass yields a crystal-clear look at your build, while the trio of included 120mm RGB fans are purposefully tilted to optimize intake dynamics. Across the top and side panels, a finely tuned perforated mesh doubles as a highly effective dust filter while allowing excess heat to effortlessly escape. Furthermore, the company has integrated a phenomenal cable routing system, complete with ultra-wide channels and pre-installed Velcro straps, making it incredibly simple for anyone to achieve a pristine, cable-free interior layout. And taking the top spot at number 5, we have the Corsair 3500X PC Case. This sleek mid-tower is an absolute masterclass in minimalist design, fully supporting the newest generation of hidden connection motherboards like MSI's Project Zero and ASUS BTF to completely eliminate visible wiring. The striking pillarless tempered glass provides an uninterrupted showcase of your gear, while the internal layout remains remarkably versatile, offering enough mounting points for up to 10 120mm fans to tackle extreme heat loads. It arrives with 3 brilliant ARGB fans that plug straight into your motherboard's 5-volt header for effortless lighting synchronization. Whether you're assembling a top-tier gaming station or a refined productivity rig, it brilliantly merges cutting-edge, cable-free compatibility with sophisticated glass architecture. And that's it for today. If this video helped you find the perfect product, Don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. And make sure to subscribe to Gadget House and turn on the bell icon, because we're bringing you more amazing gadgets, smart reviews, and hidden tech deals you won't want to miss. Got any questions or want us to review a specific product? Drop it in the comments below. We read every comment. Stay tuned, because the next video might just be your next best purchase. See you in the next one.